In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add collection in circular carousel slider in Shopify. So basically by default it appears something like this. It is basically in different carousel selections, basically appearance. So how to change this is basically, if you see on the left side, you have some controls for the different appearance and stuff. You can see you have animations, but we cannot see any option of circular carousels, and that is because we might need to incorporate using our custom CSS. We can embed our code, or once you're on front end section, you can add any application that is basically going to be showing it into a circular representation like here. And yeah, so these are the two ways that you can learn to do it. And if you want some more details about it, you simply need to comment down below and I will make a more detailed video about it. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.